Pizza ovens may be the hottest trend, but what if the secret to incredible homemade pizza has been sitting on your patio all along? Marisa Mariella of Marisa's Easy Kitchen is here to help us turn your barbecue into a pizza oven.
Yes, and it's unfortunate we can't be out on the patio,
Yeah, a little wet.
But we'll show you a video a little bit later on. It starts with a good pizza dough.
Okay.
So that's what I'm going to get you started
put me to
on.
work.
Yes, so have you ever made pizza dough in your food processor?
I do once in a while. If I have time, yes.
Okay, this is the doppio zero flour.
Okay.
It's about 2.5 cups. Yep, you go ahead and add that as well. That's a little bit of semolina, a little bit of salt, sugar, and only a half a teaspoon. This is instant yeast. Only a half a teaspoon. That's about 1 cup of very, very warm water. Okay. And yeah, we're gonna give that a little pulsing. Let's see if I can
put my pulsing skills to work. There we go.
I told you I'm not responsible for any flour on your
So
soup,
far, so good, Marisa.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you can stop there.
Yep.
So you'll notice it's starting to come as a ball.
Yeah.
And you'll take it out and just put it in a greased bowl, cover with saran wrap, let it sit in your fridge overnight, 24 hours. Oh, it makes such a delicious dough. Okay? When you take it out of the fridge, it's gonna look like that, nice and soft.
Nice and doughy.
Here we go, and doughy. So I've got one for you. I've got some semolina flour here. This is a really fine flour.
Yep, so I can pop
nice.
this down?
Yeah, so we're gonna do it like on TV and see if this comes out. There we go. So what does it feel like to you?
It feels doughy, sticky. You can sense the olive oil, right?
Yes, okay, so all you're gonna do is stretch it out.
Oh, we're doing that way, okay.
Yeah, so I think I have a video here that shows you how to actually put it on the grill. People always say, isn't it gonna fall through the grates?
Yeah, through the grates.
And it doesn't. So you're going to make this beautiful dough. I like nice long shapes because it's easier to deal with on the barbecue, and you need a really nice hot barbecue. And then once you do one side, right on the barbecue, you're going to dress it as it flips over. Okay?
This looks spectacular.
Yeah, look at those variations. Aren't those beautiful? Make a pizza party, invite your friends and neighbors, and it'll be delicious.
Who doesn't like pizza?
So I'm gonna take the smaller one, you take the bigger one.
I like where you're going with this.
Yeah, so I have some nice fresh, these are just San Marzano tomatoes that I've crushed. Add a little bit of olive oil to it, some salt. You're gonna dress it with whatever toppings you like.
And that's the great thing about pizza. You can put whatever you want on it.
Speaking of whatever I want, look at this. That's right. So it is better to use cooked ingredients when you are using the barbecue, because once it flips over, you don't really have that much time because the bottom does cook so quickly. Yeah. But you're going to put it on, and maybe you know, with the lid closed, maybe a minute or two, just enough for the cheese to melt. Yep. Okay, this cheese here, so cool.
You were telling me about this, yeah.
Fior di latte in little cubetti, little tiny cubes. It's already prepared, available at Nardini's. Okay. And you go for those mushrooms. So I've got the Nutella. I've got this beautiful jam from Italy. Reminds me of the jam that my mom used to make.
So this is like a dessert pizza that you're making.
Yeah, so you're making our primo, let's say.
The main.
Our entree. Yeah. And I'm making dessert for us. Okay, so you get the idea, right?
Perfect.
So you're gonna pull that off to the side. Okay. And let's get the ones out of the oven.
Wow. Here we go. I'm very excited to see these pizzas.
Okay.
So again, this would be on the barbecue, right?
Yes, on the barbecue. Wow. Sorry, I'm gonna cut in front of you. Look at that.
So on these we have...
So I have rapini, very Italian, sauteed with some Nardini Italian sausage. And then look here. Ontario Peaches makes for a beautiful pizza.
So again, your main and your dessert kind of pizza.
Well, this could be. It'll be sweet and savory. And we were talking about the honey.
Yes, we got 1 minute.
Okay, so I'm going to add some nice hot honey,
which is not incredibly hot, but a little bit of a kick to it.
That's right. Okay.
It's really nice.
And on the table here, I already have a few made. So you choose. You could do artichoke tomato and the fior di latte.
Let's go with this. Do you want one?
Yes, I'm going to choose maybe this one here.
We got 40 seconds.
All right, I'm going to take a little bite. Cheers. Crispy.
That dough is sensational.
Light. Overnight, and because it only has a half a teaspoon of yeast, it's very easily digestible. And a big shout out to my husband for grilling this
Yes.
morning at 6 o'clock
Way
in
to go,
the
John.
rain.
We got to go. Thank you
All
so
right.
much for
Thank
coming this
you.
morning. Enjoy your barbecue pizza or in the oven or wherever you want to bake it. Thank you for your
Thank
time
you.
this morning.
Thank you.
Amazing.